you ready to break into the exciting, awesome world of cybersecurity? It's a challenging field, but if you're up for the task, a career in cybersecurity can be incredibly rewarding. Plus, with the growing threat of cyber attacks, the demand for qualified professionals is always going to increase. Hi, I'm Jerry from Simply Cyber, and here's how to get your first job in cybersecurity in 2023. Start by getting familiar with the basics of cybersecurity. You don't need to be a computer science wizard, but you should have a good understanding of computer networks and security protocols. You can learn a lot from online free resources such as tutorials and articles, YouTube videos, or you can even take a class at a local community college. A couple specific resources I'd love to call out is the SANS Cyber Aces. This free resource can teach you about networking, operating systems, and a bit about scripting. Also at the Simply Cyber IO website, my website, we have an entire section across the top called free resources. Go in there. There are absolutely hundreds of free cybersecurity education resources you can get there. Also, my GRC Analyst Masterclass dives deep into the entire industry, specifically around technology, cybersecurity, and then drills really specifically into the focus role of GRC Analyst. Next, get some hands-on experience. There are many free tools and resources available online that you can use to practice your skills. For example, you could set up a virtual lab and try out different techniques for detecting and preventing cyber attacks. You can also participate in online challenges and competitions, sometimes called CTFs. They will not only help you learn, but also show potential employers that you're serious about cybersecurity. A couple platforms, in case you didn't know, that you can check out are TryHackMe, Haiku Pro, Rangeforce if you're more interested in the defensive side of things. You can build home Raspberry Pi labs that will run you a little less than $100 and have it all on-prem local to you, or Simply Cyber has access to all those free resources where you can find other labs. Now, once you've gained the experience, it's time to start looking for your first job. You can start by searching for entry-level positions in cybersecurity at companies in your area. You can also look for internships or apprenticeships, which will give you valuable experience and may lead to a full-time job. You can also look around at a company you currently work at and ask the information security office if there's things that you can do to help their mission. Don't be discouraged if you don't have a lot of experience, okay? Many companies are willing to train the right candidates. A couple places to find jobs could be LinkedIn Jobs, Dice. One thing that I will absolutely tell you is a lot of jobs will never be posted. Networking, professional social networking is key. Join a Discord community like the Simply Cyber Discord server that has thousands of cybersecurity professionals being supportive and inclusive, or any Discord server. It doesn't have to be mine. Black Hills Information Security has a great one. The Cyber Mentor has a great one. Cyber Insecurity has a great one. There's a million great cybersecurity servers. Join them and start engaging with other people and sharing what you have learned. Trust me, it's going to pay off in the long run. Now, when applying for jobs, it's important to highlight your skills and experience. Be sure to include any relevant certifications or training on your resume and be prepared to explain how your skills and experience make you a good fit for the job. I want to point out that we did a video with Joe Hudson on the channel last year called Cyber Resume Gold, and Joe is a professional cybersecurity recruiter, has been for years, and in that video he tells you all of the key tips, tricks, and hidden gems of how you can make your cybersecurity resume really shine. You want to check that video out. Now, finally, be persistent and don't give up. Finding your first job in cybersecurity can be tough, I'll be honest with you, okay? But with determination, hard work, you can land the job of your dreams. And once you're in, you'll be on your way to a rewarding career in a field that's not only going to grow more important in the coming years, but it's just a lot of fun. It's never boring. It's constantly changing. There's great people in here. As I mentioned, you'll meet them by networking. So make sure you're networking. I'm telling you, every single person that works in the industry and has broken in the last couple of years will tell you that networking was super valuable and that they didn't fully appreciate it at the beginning. And then when they realized how awesome it was, they would absolutely tell someone just starting to definitely do it. So there you have it. Those are 5 steps to getting your first job in cybersecurity in 2023. It won't be easy, okay? There is no easy button. Let's just be real about that. But if you're up for the challenge, a career in cybersecurity can be incredibly rewarding. So why not start your journey today? Who knows where it might take you? I'm Jerry from Simply Cyber, and I hope this brought you some value.